Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks spin in Minecraft. While direct block rotation isn't a standard game mechanic, you can achieve impressive spinning effects using specific commands. We'll focus on the powerful block display entities, which allow for detailed control over how blocks appear and move in your world. This technique is perfect for custom maps or decorative elements. First, you'll need a command block. Type /give it s command block to get one. Place it down and configure it as a repeat command block set to always active. The initial command to summon your spinning block is /summon Minecraft, block display ~~ block state name, Minecraft, crafting table, tags, rotate. This creates a display entity at your location, showing a crafting table. To make your block spin, you'll need two more commands in separate chain command blocks, linked to the first. The first command, /execute as at etag equals rotate at s run data modify entity at s transformation. Translation set value -0. 5f -0. 5f -0. 5f centers the block. The second, /execute as at etag equals rotate at s run tp at s ~~ 5 makes it rotate. Adjust the 5 to control the spinning speed. Another popular method involves using armor stands. Summon an armor stand, give it a unique name like spinning block, and place your desired block on its head. Then, use a repeating command block with /tp at etype equals armor stand, name equals spinning block ~~ 3 tilde. The 3 controls the rotation speed. You can also make the armor stand invisible for a cleaner effect, creating the illusion of a spinning block.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.